Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm announcing something. I'm quitting. After a lot of thought and consideration, I've decided to quit. You guys might be surprised since I'm newly started, I guess, kind of YouTuber. And so yeah, you might just be surprised. This took a lot of consideration and thought. I just don't have any time to do this anymore. It's just getting too hard. I got other stuff to do. I just don't think it's right for me. So yeah, I guess. See you. I'm just kidding. It's April Fools! Happy April Fools. If you didn't know that, well, I guess you know now. It is April Fools, so I decided to fool you all. Y'all are fools. Poopy poopy fools. Anyways, this is just a little announcement video I'm going to be making, so let me start with announcing some stuff I'll be doing on my channel. 1 second. So, I will be making longer videos once I verify my phone number. I just don't want to do that yet on YouTube, because I don't feel the need to do that. So I will do that soon. And then once I do that, I will also be making YouTube effects. So like YouTube shorts, because some of them I think, I think I could make some that would be cool. So yeah. And then sorry about all the AI videos, it just gives me a lot of views, so Sora won't let me make any more videos because Sora AI is getting shut down. So yeah, that's something. So once I find another good form of content, then I might start doing that, because you guys know I have made kind of documentaries before. I think I'll make one about how because I've done one about I'll comment on every video that uses the sound. The only person I've really seen that does that is Steak. So since I've already made a video on that, I'll be making one on about remix this video and we'll give you 100,000 views. It's not gonna happen. So see you guys in the next one. That video will be coming out later today. And see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.